Intermediate Algebra, Chapter 2, Section 2. Let's deal with word problems. First of all, I will not give you any word problems that I have not gone over. So if I go over a particular type of word problem, you can bet your life that it's going to be on the test. First type of word problem. We're going to go over two. First type is called consecutive integer, consecutive even odd. The definition of consecutive integer is like this. First of all, integer means whole numbers, negative or positive. Doesn't mean fractions, doesn't mean decimals. So these are consecutive integers, 51, 52, 53, 54. If we were going to represent them algebraically, we always represent the first number as an x. And then whatever we do to 51 to get to 52, that becomes the second algebraic expression. So we would add 1 to get to 52, so we add 1 to x. To get to the third integer, whatever we do to the first integer to get to the third integer is the same thing we do algebraically. We would add 2 to 51 to get to 53, so it's x plus 2. Then x plus 3, x plus 4, so on. Consecutive even and odd, you got to be careful. Because here are consecutive even integers, 2, 4, 6, 8. Notice there's a difference of 2 between each consecutive even. Look at 21, 23, 25, and 27. Again, there is a difference of 2 between them. So algebraically, the first consecutive even or odd integer is always represented with x. The second even or odd integer is represented by x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. Biggest mistake made is that when students see consecutive odd, they want to put x, x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5. It's not the way it works. Whether it's consecutive even or odd, it's x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. There's a couple of problems. It says the sum of three consecutive odd integers is 327. Find the integers. So if we look at consecutive odd, the first one is x, the second one is x plus 2, third one's x plus 4, equal to 327. If we follow our plan to solve algebraic equations, collect like terms, we get 3x plus 6 equals 327. This is in two-step algebraic form. Subtract 6, divide by 3, we get the first integer as 107. If we add 2 to 107, the second integer is 109. If we add 4 to the first integer, we get 111. There's our three consecutive odd integers. Second problem. It says the sum of three consecutive integers is 228. Now notice in this problem it's consecutive integers. Doesn't say anything about even or odd. So consecutive integers would be x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So there's my first integer, x. There's my second integer, x plus 1. There's my third integer, x plus 2. Equals 228. Again, collect like terms. We get 3x plus 3 equals 228. Subtract the 3 over, we get 3x equals 225. Divide by 3, we get the first integer is 75. Add 1 to the first integer, we get 76. 2, 77. 75, 76, 77 are the consecutive. All right. Here's our second type of word problem we're going to go over. It says find three numbers such that the second number is 3 more than twice the first. All right, so whenever you're working word problems, and incidentally, this is example 3 on page 61. But whenever you're working word problems, don't try to read the whole word problem at one time. Read a little bit at a time, try to understand it, then go from there. So what we have here is that it says find three numbers. We have three numbers such that the second number is 3 more than twice the first number. Remember that in these type of problems, we always make the first number x. So if the second number is 3 more than twice the first, the second number is 2x plus 3. If we read a little further, says the third number is 4 times the first. Well, again, the first number is x, the third number is 4 times x, 4x. And the sum of the three numbers is 164. So looking at the word problem, you can see that we get x plus 2x plus 3 plus 4x equals 164. So looking at this, we can see that our first number is x, second number is 2x plus 3, third number is 4x. Solve it the same way. Collect like terms, we get 7x plus 3 equals 164. Two-step algebraic form, subtract 3, we get 7x equals 161. Divide 161 by 7, we get x equals 23. So our first integer x is 23. Our second integer, 2x plus 3, we stick the 23 in here. 2 times 23 is 46, plus 3 is 49. Stick the 23 in here. 4 times 23 is 92. So there's our three integers, 23, 49, 92.